Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear your Steam download cache and reclaim space on your computer. If Steam is running slowly, downloads keep getting stuck, or you're running low on storage space, clearing the download cache can often help. Steam stores temporary download files and cached data to speed up updates and installations, but over time, these files can become outdated, corrupted, or simply take up unnecessary space. The good news is that clearing the download cache is completely safe. It will not delete your installed games, save files, or account information. However, you will need to sign back into Steam afterward, so make sure you know your login details before proceeding. To get started, open Steam and sign in to your account. Once Steam is open, click Steam in the top left corner of the window and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click Downloads in the left sidebar. Scroll through the Downloads section until you find the Clear Download Cache button. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm when Steam asks if you want to continue. Steam will close your current session, remove the cached download data, and restart automatically. After Steam reopens, sign back into your account. At this point, many download-related issues are often resolved, and some storage space may have been recovered from old temporary files. If you want to free up even more space, you can also clear leftover download files manually. First, completely exit Steam by clicking Steam and selecting Exit. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam installation folder. For most users, this is located at C:\program files x86/Steam. Inside the Steam folder, locate the Downloading folder. This folder may contain temporary update files from incomplete or old downloads. If Steam is fully closed, you can safely remove unnecessary files inside this folder. You can also check the Depot cache folder in the Steam directory. This folder stores package and update data that Steam may no longer need. Deleting old files here can sometimes recover additional storage space, especially if you've installed and updated many games over time. Once you've finished cleaning up, launch Steam again and allow it to refresh its files. Steam will automatically download any required data the next time you install or update a game. As a maintenance tip, periodically clearing your download cache can help resolve a variety of download and update-related issues, improve Steam's ability to download and install game files efficiently, and prevent the accumulation of outdated or corrupted temporary data. Over time, these unnecessary files can consume valuable disk space, so removing them regularly can help keep Steam running smoothly while also freeing up additional storage on your computer. After completing these steps, Steam should run more smoothly, and you may notice additional free storage available on your drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.